What if I told you that every great success starts with just one small step? Yes, that's right. Your dreams are not as far out of reach as they seem. Meet Sarah. A few years ago, Sarah was stuck. She had big dreams, but every time she tried to move forward, something would hold her back. Whether it was fear, self-doubt, or a busy schedule, Sarah found herself thinking, maybe I'm not cut out for this. One day, Sarah stumbled upon a quote that changed her perspective. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. These words stayed with her, but at first, she wasn't sure how to apply them to her life. Then one morning, Sarah made a decision. Instead of focusing on the entire journey, she would focus on the very first step. It didn't matter how small that step was, she told herself. She just had to take action. For the first time, she set an achievable goal. Instead of overwhelming herself with everything she had to do, she focused on doing just one thing a day. She woke up 30 minutes earlier to read a chapter of a self-help book. She started taking a walk every evening, just to clear her mind. And most importantly, she stopped waiting for the perfect moment. Days turned into weeks, and those small steps began to add up. Sarah's confidence grew as she made progress, no matter how small. By the time 3 months passed, she could hardly believe how far she had come. She'd learned new skills, gained more clarity, and built healthier habits. But here's the thing. Sarah's success wasn't about doing everything at once. It was about being consistent. Each day, she made a commitment to take that one step. And in doing so, she transformed her life. If you're feeling stuck, remember this. You don't have to change everything in one day. Start with small, consistent actions. You might not see results immediately, but over time, those steps will add up. What seems impossible now will soon become your reality. So, what's your first step? Take it today and watch how your life transforms. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational stories to help you take that first step toward your goals. Keep going, one step at a time.